Hi friends, welcome back to Easy Couponing. We're making it easy for you to coupon. Hi beautiful, do I have a deal for you? Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get started. Let's head into Walgreens and get this deal going. This is an in-store video. We're going to be doing some easy couponing deals that I'm sure you're going to love. We're going to be picking up a bunch of items, just like we always do. Completely free. Well, for a very, very low cost. It's going to be under $1 for everything. You do not want to miss it. I have this $3 off coupon for Eucerin. And another $3 off coupon for Aquaphor showed up this morning. Make sure you clip those to your account. Those are brand new coupons that just showed up to the accounts today. So I'm clipping both of those, $3 off. And as you can see here, the prices online are way cheaper than the prices in store. I'm doing an online shopping deal in store. So I'm selecting my items, I'm adding them to my cart. And I'm going to be processing my order online in store, if that makes sense. So I'm going to have all my items ready for the cashier to run it through. And I'll be able to get my online deal and get my points and everything. As you can see here, I'm going to be getting $19.29 in points. I am going to be using an online code to make this purchase. So this is what you could do. Some people say, well, they always cancel my order. Okay, well, this is your solution. Go to the store. It's not going to take you about 10 minutes. I'm going to get you in and out in 10 minutes. Follow it step by step, and you'll be doing the same thing in store. Very, very easy. I'm picking two of these up at $3.99. They're $7.98 for two. And I do have a $4 off coupon on two, making two of these $3.98. But I'm getting back $4 in Walgreens cash, making two of those completely free, plus a $2 moneymaker. Okay, so here are all the coupons that attach. $3 off Aquaphor, $3 off Eucerin, and the $4 off Colgate. And I used code NEWYOU online, NEWYOU, and I saved an additional $1.25. My total is $20.03 with tax. Without tax, it's $17.81 for all of these items here. Yes, you do have to pay out of pocket, but you will be getting back $19.29. $19.29. $10 for buying the Aquaphor Eucerin deal, $4 for the Colgate Optic White deal, and $5 for spending $20. As you can see here, our subtotal was $29.06. So we're getting $29.06 completely free, plus $1 and change moneymaker. And I'll go over everything in detail. Let me go ahead and process my order in store. So I'm going to proceed to payment. I'm paying with my card, so I can't show that. And as you can see here, everything went through. I'm getting all four of those items in store completely free. So I placed my order. Now what? Okay, now we're going to head in to the front checkout. Let's go to the cashier and let her know that we placed our order online and we want to pick it up and we have the items we need in our hand. Here I am. She's scanning everything for the online purchase. She's going to print out the receipt and give me my bag, and that's it. That's how easy it is to do your deal in store. While you're there, they'll be able to run it for you. So I did get back $19.27. All of my coupons came off perfectly. And now let's go ahead and do deal number two. For deal number two, we're going to be picking up the paper towels, paper products. Scott paper towels are $5 this week. Buy one, get one half off. Scott toilet paper are the same. Buy one, get one half off this week. $5 each. So 2 packs will be $7.50. 2 packs of toilet paper will be $7.50. I'll have a total of $15 in paper products, but I do want to use $20 in Walgreens cash. That Walgreens cash we just earned brought our total to $30.77. As you saw, I started out with $10 and change. I have a $1 off coupon for Scott paper toilet paper. And for the other Scott toilet paper, I'm going to be using coupons.com app. If you have that app, download it. If you don't, download it. There's a $1 coupon in the app, which you can get an additional $1 off. I'm going to be using $1 off on Scott paper towels on the Walgreens app. And I have $1 off on the coupons.com app. I'll go over everything step by step. Do not worry. That's $15 for all 4 packs of toilet paper and paper towels. But I do have $1 off coupon in the Walgreens app for paper towels, $1 off for the toilet paper. $13 off $13 altogether. Now we need to bring our balance up to $20. I'm trying to get to $20, so I'm able to use Walgreens cash to pay for all of this. I want to use the Walgreens cash we just earned to pay for everything. I need paper products and I need some grocery items. In this case, I'm going to be picking up the cereal. They're $4.99. Buy one, get one free. Cornflakes. I was going to add candy, but I went ahead and I added 2 more boxes of cereal, bringing my total to $22.98. That's okay. Candy, I could have gotten it, but we needed cereal. So minus $20. I paid $2.98 out of pocket, and we are back home. And let me go over everything. It won't take long. I promise you. I want to make sure you understand how to do these deals. And I'm going to break it down for you very, very easy. 2 packs of paper towels, 2 packs of toilet paper, 1 Aquaphor, 1 Eucerin, 2 Colgate toothpaste, and 4 boxes of cereal. It all started out with this small purchase here, 4 items. Got us all of that other stuff. So here's my receipt for the Aquaphor and the Colgates. There it is. And here's my receipt for the bigger purchase, the cornflakes and the Scott paper products. All the coupons came off perfectly. As I told you, $22 and change, 98 cents. I used $20 in Walgreens cash to pay. I paid $2.98 out of pocket. $22.98 minus 20, that's $2.98 out of pocket. That's what I paid out of my pocket. So I gave her $2.98 in cash. And now let's submit our receipt to coupons.com app, the coupons app. And let me go ahead and check if that is still available. So here it is. Yes, it is. There it is. It's still activated for the Scott paper towels and Scott toilet paper. I'm going to be able to use 1 coupon and 1 coupon for the toilet paper. So I'll be getting $2 back. It's pretty easy with the Walgreens app or with Walgreens. All you have to do is link your account to the coupons.com app and you'll be getting that bonus or that money back to your PayPal account automatically, since all they do is run your Walgreens account, and if they see that there's a rebate available, they'll credit your PayPal account. Now let's go ahead and open Fetch Rewards, and we're going to submit our receipts. Let me go ahead and submit. My first receipt is for the paper products. Let's see what kind of bonus we're going to be getting for these, because Fetch Rewards, Scott paper products are on Fetch Rewards. They usually always give you a bonus. So let's check what the bonus is. So I got 150 points for 2 packs of paper towels, 2 packs of toilet paper. And it does say there that if I spend $10 more, I'll be getting a bonus. So I could easily reach that using my points. I'm going to go back to the store and get 4 more packs if they're still available. So I could hit that bonus. Now I'm going to submit my Taco Bell receipt. Yes, you can submit any receipt, Taco Bell, Pizza Hut, any receipt. Food products, for grocery stores, liquor stores, gas stations, any receipt will help you get points. As you can see there, I got 25 points for Taco Bell. And lastly, I'm going to be submitting my receipt. So like I said, you can submit any single receipt that you have. Make sure you gather all your receipts. Click the link in the description box below or in the first comment. I have it there for you. Let me submit my receipt for the Aquaphor Eucerin. That was for my online purchase. And I got back $25 or 25 Fetch Rewards for that one. Here is my code, DT8BA. Link is in the description box and in the first comment. And that's how we got all of this here for 89 cents. And let me go break it down. Let's break it down. We're going to break it down for you. I wrote everything down, so there is no questions left unanswered. Let me go ahead and get my notes and I'll go over everything. So here's all we got: 4 boxes of cereal, 2 paper towels, 2 toilet papers, the lotions, and the toothpaste. I had the spend 20 get 5 booster. I bought a Aquaphor for $9.59, Eucerin for $10.64. Total was $20.23. $3 off for each of those in the Walgreens app, $14.23, and I got $10 back in Walgreens cash. The Colgates were $3.99, $7.98 for 2. I had a $4 off coupon on 2, $3.98 for 2 of them. Net, I got back $4 in Walgreens cash. My total was $17.81. I had the booster for $5 back, $10 back on Eucerin, $4 back on Colgate. All of that was completely free, plus $1.19 moneymaker. For our second transaction, it was $22.89 altogether. I used $20 in Walgreens cash. I got back $2, or I paid $20.89. But I did get back $2 from coupons.com app, making all of the 89 cents. Don't forget to subscribe, leave your thumbs up and a comment down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.